and devils are equally abhorrent. I hate them too, since one took my pet cat Meowie away. And the prospect of groping breasts intriguing, I'll let you touch mine as a reward for saving Meowie.
That fucking devil! What a tool! Snatching innocent cats! Well, that ain't happening on my watch! As a devil hunter, I say no! I'll murderize him. Straight kill the shit out of that asshole!
We had a deal, did we not? My chest is yours for the fondling. What's the matter? Aren't you exhilarated? And that's it! Squeezing complete! Was it not the most splendid?
That's it?